Dear friend, have a nice day. Good afternoon. This is Mr. Neil. I'm Neil. I like doing business and connecting the people in the world. Now we provide the fixed VGA code service. We have a VGA code fixed company. Now please see this VGA code. This VGA code is one customer from Lebanon. You can see that this VGA code is from expand Lebanon to channel Dongguan. We provide the fixed service. The customer send the VGA code by DHL from Lebanon to channel. He used DHL cover. This is his VGA code. His VGA code already defective, was broken, can't work. So he sent this VGA code. So he sent this VGA code to me to fix. In order to save the shipping cost, he already took off the VGA code fund. Just have this VGA code. Just have this PCB board. After fix the well, I will send it to him to send to Lebanon. So if any customer who want to fix his VGA code can send it to me, I will help him to fix it well. This is my video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.